देश उम्मीद से
Malnutrition is one of the biggest problems faced by our country even in 21st century. This enemy acts at our emerging generations and affect the future of the country. India is fighting to a superpower in future and such problems are preventing progress of the country. It is not how much you eat but how good you eat and what you eat.
Homeopathy is a system of medicine developed by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann in 18th century, which is based on the principle of like cures like. Malnutrition leads to an array of diseases which needs medical attention. Many conditions arising out of malnutrition like anemia, obesity, vitamin deficiencies, dental problems, diabetes, they are very well cured by homeopathy. Central Council for Research in Homeopathy has also good scientific evidence of homeopathy effective in such conditions.
Namaskar. Anemia is one of the common problem of female and child population in India. More than half of the women, especially pregnant mothers in India, are affected in anemia. Even children under the age of 5 years are affected by this disease. Proper nutrition and homeopathic medicine can manage anemia. The foods rich in iron are
mushroom and green vegetables,
Milk and egg.
soybean and mustard dal,
Oats,
rasma,
kishmish, kaju.
constitutional homeopathic medicines and specific homeopathic medicines like Ferramphos 6-6, Ferramphos 12x, Lecithin 30, Kali Carb, Natramure are very useful in these conditions.
Obesity is another problem of malnutrition. Around 135 million people in our country are affected from obesity. It is caused by overnutrition and lack of exercise due to sedentary lifestyle. High fiber diet including whole grains, whole fruits and vegetables are helpful in reducing the obesity. Also, fish oil and vegetable fats contains high amount of HDL, which is highly recommended for the patient suffering from obesity. Homeopathic constitutional medicines are really very effective in dealing with the condition of obesity as well as hypercholesterolemia.
Vitamin A deficiency is another aspect of malnutrition where there is onset of night blindness and difficulty of vision. Loss of vision can be prevented from intake of food items like carrots, fruits, milk products, broccoli, squash, liver, small fishes. Remember to check the oil and milk packets for vitamin A fortification. Also remember to give your child vitamin A oil during immunization schedule at 9 months and thereafter 2 times every year. If your child has symptoms of night blindness due to vitamin A deficiency, consult a homeopathic physician or visit a unit or institute of CCRH. Medicines like phosphorus, conium, ruta, argentum nitricum are very useful, but they must always be taken after consulting a registered homeopathic practitioner.
Vitamin C is another important micronutrient and very important for the immunity of our body. The vitamin prevents the body against cold and fever. This vitamin also helps to maintain a healthy skin and promotes wound healing of the body. The vitamin C found mainly in fruits like lemon, amla, mosambi, oranges, green leafy vegetable, etc. Deficiency of this vitamin leads to ulceration of mouth and lips known as scurvy. The homeopathic medicine helps if you are suffering from vitamin C deficiency. Medicine like Arsenicum album, Echinacea, Calendula, nitric acid and citric acid helps to fight with the sign of vitamin C deficiency.
This vitamin D deficiency is one of the burning problem in our society. Vitamin D deficiency leads to weak and bent bones in our body, and the disease we call it as rickets. Food rich in vitamin D like fish, meat, liver, egg, cheese are the good source of Vitamin D. Homeopathic medicines like Calcarea phos, Silicea, Calcarea carb, phosphorus are very much useful for such conditions. Vitamin D deficiency may have long-term complications in your child health. So, if your child suffers from such conditions, consultation and constitutional treatment with homeopathy will lead to cure of such conditions.
प्रोटीन एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट है। ये हमारे शरीर के थायराइड ग्रंथि के सही कार्य करने के लिए बहुत ही जरूरी है। इसके अलावा हमारे शरीर के विभिन्न अंगों के सुचारू रूप से कार्य करने में ये बहुत ही उपयोगी है। इसके कमी के कारण हमारे शरीर में थायराइड ग्लैंड संबंधी समस्याएं जैसे ग्वाइटर इत्यादि हो सकती हैं। अतः आप सभी लोगों से अनुरोध है कि अपने भोजन में नित्य प्रतिदिन आयोडीन युक्त नमक का उपयोग करें। इसके अलावा हमारे होम्योपैथिक चिकित्सा पद्धति में बहुत ऐसी दवाएं हैं जैसे नट्रिमोर, आयोडीनम, थायराइडिनम, केलिजायोड इत्यादि। इन सभी थायराइड संबंधित समस्याओं में कारगर साबित होती हैं।
A healthy child leads to a successful nation. Remember that your child must be exclusively breastfed for the first 6 months of life. After 6 months, along with the breast milk, as complementary feed, the child should be given various other nutritious food items like rice, dal, vegetables, fruits, eggs, etc. The period of first 2 years of your child's life are very crucial because most of the deficiency diseases arise during this time. Homeopathic medicines have been found useful in various studies dealing with problems of the first few years of your child. Medicines like Calcarea phos 6X promotes healthy dentition and prevents complications related to it. Many parents prefer homeopathy for their children as it is having no side effects and it gives holistic treatment. Homeopathy prevents recurrent diarrhea, colds, fever in children. I, being a mother and a doctor, advise you all mothers to treat your child with homeopathy.
Immunity is a very important aspect of our living. The immune system in our body is the microscopic army which defends our body from a variety of infections and diseases. During this COVID-19 pandemic, when the world is in search for vaccines and medicines, the proper immune system is the key to our survival. But sometimes proper nutrition is not alone sufficient, and in those cases we require Ayush medicines, especially the homeopathic system of medicines. In the homeopathic system of medicines, Arsenicum album is an important immune booster which helps us fighting against these viral diseases. We know from our records that this medicine has prevented infection in a large number of people, and even if they are infected, they were only mild or asymptomatic infections. So therefore, in this COVID-19 pandemic, we should depend on proper nutrition as well as the Ayush immune boosting advisory.
My dear fellow countrymen, you all know that we are going through a very special situation of COVID, and how diet is important to maintain your immunity so that you can prevent yourself from getting this kind of a viral infection. We know that how it is important to take vitamin C and zinc tablets to maintain our immunity, and these are not only to be taken up through tablets, these are available in our routine diet if we take care of that. Vitamin C is available in most of the citrus fruits, orange, lemon, even guava. These are rich sources. Amla, zinc, we do need that. These are available in the seeds of watermelon, and there are other sources of zinc. We can always meet these deficiencies from our routine diet. A little bit of awareness will include such diets in your routine. that you will maintain your immunity at a high level. But simultaneously, we should also be involved into some kind of a routine physical activity so that you are able to assimilate all this in your body. And for that, homeopathy is a good aid that you can maintain your good health by assimilating a proper nutrition through your diet. And we will request you to get yourself acquainted through various sources of media and other media channels, books, by interacting with your doctors. So keep yourself stay fit and stay safe. Maintain a good health. We all know that an apple a day keeps a doctor away. There is a saying that only is the purpose is that you maintain your good health by eating a healthy nutritious diet.
सही पोषण देश रोशन। सही पोषण देश रोशन।
सही पोषण
देश रोशन।
देश उम्मीद से देश उम्मीद से है, करो पोषणम करो पोषणम 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 देश उम्मीद से है, करो पोषणम 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 देश उम्मीद से है, करो पोषणम। मुख से झांकता है भारत का कल, अन्न प्राशन करो स्वस्थ बचपन करो, माँ का संसार हो दूध सा प्यार हो, आशा वाला नया एक जीवन करो, खोल के आंखें सपने खड़े सामने, सारे सपनों का मिलकर करो पोषणम करो पोषणम 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 देश उम्मीद से है, करो देश उम्मीद से है, करो पोषणम करो पोषणम 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 देश उम्मीद से है, करो पोषणम 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 देश उम्मीद से है, करो पोषणम देश उम्मीद से है, करो पोषणम पोषणम पोषणम